from the foundation up. We talking longevity. We talking survival, local 528. Let's go. Build it out of concrete. Yeah. Build it out of concrete. The stuff is rock solid, man. It can take the heat. Yeah. Build it out of concrete. When the fire start rolling and the smoke gets thick, yeah. Build it out of concrete. Don't be messing with them sticks. Build it out of concrete. Yeah. The temperatures are blazing and the wind is high. One spark starts a flame, say your prayers to the sky. Now you're gonna kiss your whole neighborhood by, unless your house was built out of concrete, no lie. See what is fast, cheap and easy, that's true. But when the heat comes knocking, it burns that weight too. Pop, crackle, drop. Nothing left but the view. You need that gray matter armor to see the morning dew. Build it out of concrete. Yeah. Build it out of concrete. Okay. The stuff is rock solid, man. It can take the heat. Yeah. Build it out of concrete. Solid foundation, yeah, we keep it on lock. Build it out of concrete. The house stands like a rock. Build it out of concrete. We got innovation, technology on deck. A home building system, keep the fire in check. 3D printed walls, yeah, that's built right. A solid concrete foundation, slab troll tight. Plaster finishers, we show you the way. Fireproof sprays, keep the flames at bay. Skilled craftsmen, cement masons on the grind. Catch the whole house, leave the worries behind. It lasts for generations. Interior, exterior. Contact local 528. Dispatch the workforce. Build a resilient tomorrow.